Question 1. A student graphed the position of a cart during a 7-second time interval. Which statement best describes the cart? A. The cart moved at a constant velocity of 0.5 meters per second for the entire 7 seconds. B. The cart was stationary with a velocity of 0 meters per second for the entire 7 seconds. C. The cart was stationary except for a short burst of acceleration of 0.5 meters per second squared. Or D. The cart accelerated at a constant rate of approximately 0.8 meters per second. Question 2. Which of the following best describes the velocity of an object? A. 30 meters per second. B. 30 meters east. C. 30 meters per second east. Or D. 30 meters per second squared. Question 3. What is the difference between the velocity and the speed of an object? A. Velocity is the change in distance over time, while speed is the change in velocity over time. B. Velocity has a direction associated with it, while speed has no specific direction. C. Velocity has no direction associated with it, while speed has a specific direction. D. Velocity is the change in speed over time, while speed is the change in distance over time. Question 4. The 3 vehicles shown below are all traveling at a speed of 15 meters per second, but only the pickup truck is changing velocity. The pickup truck has a changing velocity because the pickup truck is A. Can accelerate faster than the other 2 vehicles. B. Is traveling in the opposite direction from the other 2 vehicles. C. Is traveling on a curve in the road. Or D. Needs a large amount of force to move. Question 5. A hobbyist collected data about the motion of a toy train on a straight track and then recorded the data in the graph below. Which of these accurately describes the motion of the toy train? A. The toy train speeds up while going forward and then slows down. B. The train slows down while going forward and then moves backward. C. The toy train moves forward at an increasing speed, stops, and then moves forward. Or D. The toy train moves forward at a constant speed, slows down, and then stops. Question 6. A student runs 2 times around a running path at a local park. Each lap is 3 kilometers. The student completes the first lap in 20 minutes. The student then sits on a bench and rests for 5 minutes before completing the second lap in 25 minutes. Which graph best represents the student's motion? Question 7. A bus travels 20 kilometers in 30 minutes. What is the average speed of the bus? A. 50 kilometers per hour. B. 40 kilometers per hour. C. 30 kilometers per hour. Or D. 20 kilometers per hour. Question 8. The graph below shows the motion of a ball rolling on a straight track. What was the ball's average speed during the time represented in the graph? A. 0.2 meters per second. B. 0.5 meters per second. C. 5 meters per second. Or D. 10 meters per second. Question 9. Some students were investigating the speed of a toy car they built. They performed 2 trials and recorded their data in the table below. What was the average speed of the toy car during the 2 trials to the nearest tenth of meters per second? Record your answers and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Please be sure to use the correct place value. Question 10. A student walks 2 kilometers in 30 minutes. What is the student's average speed in kilometers per hour? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value.